Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our Discuss Keeping video log number 14. Today is the second part of how to select healthy discus for your discus tank. Before we get started, I'd like to request you to consider subscribing to my channel only if you like my content. This will help me to stay motivated, document, and share my fish keeping and aquascaping journey with you all. In the first part of this video, we discussed briefly on best source to purchase discus fish for your aquarium. If you haven't watched that series, please refer to the link in the description area. In today's video, we will discuss what to look for while purchasing discus fish. The entire topic will be discussed considering you have option to select discus fishes from the lot and you are present in person to accomplish that. Please note, no online store will give you option to select your fish from the lot in person. So those scenarios will not be considered in today's discussion. While purchasing, the first thing you should look in discus is their activity level. They should be active and their dorsal fin should be up and straight, as you can see in this video. If you see all discus fishes are grouping in a corner and their fins are cramped, it means they are stressed and it will be better to avoid purchasing such discus fishes. Try to select discus from a single stock tank. If you are picking 4 discus from 4 different stock tanks, then you are increasing the chance of cross-contamination 4 times. There is no guarantee that buying from one tank will mitigate the risk of pathogenic infection, but the risk is much less in compared to buying 4 fishes from 4 tanks or from 4 different stores. Here, by pathogenic infection, I am referring to all types of infection that can occur to your discus fishes. Example, internal parasite, worm, external bacterial and fungal infection, etc. I always suggest to purchase juvenile discus fishes which are 2.5 to 3.5 inches in size. These fishes are comparatively priced less than the big ones. Please don't bother about the color of the discus fishes. Discus normally don't show their true color till they are 4 to 5 inches. A 2 inches fish with vibrant color is basically the result of hormone-fed food or hormone treatment. So, a small discus with minimum color is most probably good fish without hormone feeding. Please consider these facts while purchasing discus fishes. Always inspect fish shape and health while purchasing. Discus fish should be round in shape, fat and healthy. Please notice their forehead, it should be full and not pointy. Also, if you notice discus has turned black, it means it's highly stressed. Try to inspect poop of the discus in the discus tank. If you see white stingy poop, then don't consider purchasing those fishes, as there is a high chance that those fishes are having internal parasite issues. Discus hobbyists and breeders are pretty obsessive about their fish's shape. A high-grade discus should be round in shape and not pointy like a triangle. While purchasing discus fishes, you can easily identify your fish's grade. Consider two imaginary vertical lines across your discus fish's eye. For a high-grade discus, you can stack minimum 6 to 7 eyes on the top of each other as shown in the picture. For a low-grade discus, you can stack 3 to 4 eyes, and for a medium grade, you'll be able to stack 5 eyes. So, while purchasing, pay close attention to your fish shape. A triangle shaped discus is basically not a discus. You can call it a tricus. So we have reached the last stage of today's discussion, where I say thank you and request you to stay tuned till next week. So we'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye.